Special Marine warning.
Well, I need to get one of those Which one's the best flavor?
Special Marine warning. Can y'all shut the fuck up?
Excuse me? There was a lotion. I'm trying to speak my monkey.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1 a.m. At 11:31 p.m., a strong thunderstorm broke into the nautical mile
You videotaping? I don't think he can hear this guy. You know what, boss? Is he videotaping? I don't know. Why are you on the camera, man? Your boss. Back off, alright? Back off. Do you want to get drunk?
Oh, it's here?
You guys saw the discount on this juice?
Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burnham Harbor.
Why is there a Dorito on my weather radio, bruh? Keep the Dorito to yourself, dude. More signal for the Dorito?
Until the hazardous weather passes.
Bro, are you on something?
I'm on Kool-Aid. What's that noise?
My thing. How's everyone doing this night? Jill, how we doing?
Good.
We doing alright? Damien, how we doing?
Fuck you.
Okay, fuck you too. How we doing, Osvaldo?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
Alright. And I'm doing pretty good as well. What? This is going on my YouTube with my 4 subscribers. Have fun.
I'm Michael Jackson. Hey, I'm gonna be a celebrity when I get older, guys.
But I'm gonna... I can't. I gotta upload this video now. Oh, God.